Welcome to the London Outlook for Friday, 24 November 2023. Looking at the calendar, there's some German information climate business news. That's at 11, however it's medium impact, so not too concerned about it. And then for the USD, we've got flash manufacturing and services PMI due at 4:45 this afternoon during the New York session. Therefore, for the London session in particular, there isn't much news volatility expected, and thus we're able to trade quite freely. Looking at the charts for the day, what you will see is on the euro, we're essentially back in this primary leg, and the idea would be to long from this primary leg to take out this structure and ultimately that. However, I don't think that price will move quite that distance for today, although it's possible. But yeah, that's our immediate objective is right here. We've got sufficient internal range liquidity along the way, so that should be fine. As usual, what we're waiting for is for the Asia range to be broken, and then we will reassess once one side of the range is taken out. Until that point, we're essentially just waiting for our trading session to start. That's for the euro, and then jumping to the pound quickly. So yesterday we achieved our target. As a result of achieving the target, we created this new mitigating OB, and now what we're essentially waiting for is for price to come back into this OB to then give us the necessary narrative backing to then target the new void substructure high. At the moment, price is somewhat in the middle of the range. We're simply waiting for one side of the Asia range to be swept before starting the day. However, what you will be able to see is there is more than enough IRL, and our bias for the day is significantly to the long side. In terms of the 15 minute, what you can see is we've built a nice primary leg from the 15 minute with demand in control. At no point will supply be able to take control. Thus, this 15 minute OB in support of the underlying narrative based on a previous 4H pro-trend OB enables us to identify an area where the next high of the day or low of the day is likely to form. Given this, I've set this entry limit order up already, and yeah, now it's just a waiting game to see how the market plays out. The Asia range is quite big, so we're either going to take out the Asia range high or the low. If it takes out the low, then we've got a plan for instant execution in this area right here. I don't think there's anything that I've missed, but that's essentially my outlook for the day. And yeah, we'll chat again for the New York outlook.